Are you ready to fire, Greg?
Nope. Yeah.
So we are.
Are you sending these videos to me?
No, I'm sending videos to YouTube.
Just what?
Say
Am I
hello.
taking a picture for you for me?
With your Magoo glasses on.
Wait, let me see.
Keeping your breath.
No, I'm talking about my glasses.
Hurry up, we gotta get shooting.
You do this and see if it goes back. It won't.
Greg's GoPro got that picture with his Magoo glasses. Okay. You done?
That was pretty cool. That's an inch right and left. An inch right and left. Oh no, sorry. An inch right and low.
Do not reload. C-square will be in 1 minute.
That was high. And too far right. I put the adjustment back where I had it two shots out. And we took a big turn to how much to the left? I would do about 3.
You get it?